pushed all the way to the floor. I'm going to go neutral, put her in third gear just before I come to a stop. Alright, here I go. I'm easing out on my clutch, giving it a little gas.
You're on third gear, right?
Yep. Making my turn. Alright, watching my truck hit my trailer as I make my turn. Stay to the far right throughout the turn. Pulling back on my gear shifter. Easing off the gas and shifting. Okay. Pushing on my gear shifter. Easing off the gas and shifting.
So ease off the gas at the same time you're going to start shifting, right?
Yep. As you go to ease off the gas, you should already have pressure on that gear shifter.
Don't kick
That way it goes right into neutral.
And don't push fast off the accelerator. Slowly, right?
Slowly. Yep. Alright, here comes another turn. Turn on my signal. Checking traffic because there's no stop signs. But I am going to slow her on down to about 10 miles an hour. All the way across the road. Making my turn. Gave me a little gas so I don't stall the truck. Staying to the right. Watching my trailer as I go through the turn. Watching this gentleman here, as he's obviously not paying attention to us.
Get the big picture.
That's right. Checking my mirrors again. Coming up to a stop sign. Going to make another left. Actually, I'm going to make a right. So what I'm going to do is, since this is a little bit of a tight turn, slowing the truck down, clutch in, button down, going to neutral.
Neutral.
Going right into third gear here.
Right in third gear, just take off.
Yep. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform a button hook turn.
Button
here we
hook
go.
turn.
So I'm going to ease on out this way. My trailer's going to stay in my lane. I'm going to make my turn.
Beautiful turn.
And I'm going to go off the road just a little bit, but not much. And I'm going to hug this white line because I'm watching my trailer. Once my trailer clears, I'm going to bring my truck all the way back into my lane immediately. I'm pushing on the gear shifter, and I'm going to fourth. Pulling on my gear shifter as I'm accelerating, easing off the gas.
And go past a little bit after 1,500 RPMs, right?
Well, we're actually on a little bit of level ground, so at 1,500, that's where I'm trying to shift it at. But as I'm going up this hill here, now I'm going to get the RPMs on up a little higher so that my speed does not get too slow while I'm shifting.
And we're flowing gears, like you said.
Floating gears.
Yes, sir.
Speed limit's 45 miles an hour. I'm going downhill, so I'm going to go ahead and shift now. And I'm at about 1,300 or 1,400 RPMs now.
And we're gonna stick to 5 miles an hour less just to be safe.
Alright. I got another turn coming up. I'm fixing to make a left-hand turn. I'm going to start slowing her down. Downshift to 8th gear at 35 miles an hour. Slowing it on
35
down.
for 8th gear.
Give it a little gas, rev it up.
A little gas.
Put it in gear, slowing it on down, turn on turn signal. Down to 25 miles an hour.
For 7th gear.
Give it a little gas, rev it up. Put it in gear. Still slowing on down a little bit more.
6th gear, right?
A little gas, put it in neutral, rev it up.
6th
Put it in
gear.
gear. Now I'm just slowing it down to 10 miles an hour. Making my turn. Staying to the far right, obviously. Staying to my far right. Now the trailer's clear. I'll center my truck back up. Pushing on the gear shifter as I'm accelerating and easing off the gas and shifting to 7th. Pulling back on the gear shifter.
I'm gonna get the RPMs on video because that's
Easing off the gas. Shifting into 8th.
easing off at the same time, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's the part that I really gotta learn.
Alright, now I'm just watching my trailer, make sure it stays on this side of the yellow line.
Gotta stay in
And
your
I'm
lane.
not worried about the wall because I'm watching my trailer real close here.
Very important
we
to
go.
stay in your lanes.
Yep.
No coming out or rubbing the lane. We can't rub the yellow lane, right?
The yellow line?
Yeah.
You don't want to. You want to stay on the inside. Keep that trailer on the inside. Keep the trailer on the inside of the white too.
Interstate 44.
That's Interstate 44. Speed limit 35 miles an hour down through here. watching my speed.
So we're going 30. RPMs right now are at 1300.
Oh, I see. You did a big giant circle.
You think you could do it, man?
Yeah.
You think you could do it?
He was talking to you.
Yeah.
I hope. You got it, man? You think you could do it? Well, I'm like, crap, dude.
So I see my stop sign.
Alright.
Well, I might.
Slowing her down to 25 mile an hour. A little bit of gas, put it neutral. Rev it up.
Rev it up.
And shift it. Here I approach the stop sign.
Oh, no kidding. What about the
Still
job?
slowing down, even though I'm giving a little bit of gas. I'm still slowing down.
No brakes though, right? Just transmission.
Not yet, I haven't. Alright, I'm going to give it a little gas. Put it neutral. Rev it up. And put her in sixth. I got a little bit of a bump there, but not bad. Clutch in, button down, go into neutral, put her in third gear.
It's all about the footwork.
Take it on.
So what's a good speed for third gear, I guess? Like 5 to 0?
Oh, you mean for downshifting?
Downshifting. Yeah.
It's when you're button down, you're going from 6 to 3. You know, going down to low range so you can take off.
Yeah.
You want to be between right about 3 mile an hour,
Okay.
and it should just fall right into third as you're just before you stop.
Okay. So you can't go from 6 to 3, or would you go 5 and 4?
No, when we're out here doing this in real life application, you know, not everybody downshifts every gear.
The guy that did the test on us,
Uh-huh.
he said don't worry about first or second gear. We're gonna be taking off on third gear.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm taking off in third gear. Pushing on the gear shifter. Easing off the gas and shifting. Watching this little red car, make sure his ass don't jump out in front of me.
Yeah, you
Making sure I get a good wide turn in. Watching my mirror as I make my turn. Trailer's cleared the yellow. Straightening up my truck in my lane. I'm going to stay in fifth gear because I don't want to get any higher when I pull into the truck stop here.
Truck stop. Here we come.
If you notice, I'm not over revving my vehicle. I don't have it over 1,500 RPMs.
We are at almost 15 miles an hour.
Slowing the truck down a little bit.
What gear are you in?
I'm at fifth at the moment.
Fifth. Fifth gear. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yeah, 10 miles an hour.
Scanning the parking lot, obviously, making eye contact with people. Checking all the trucks. Going to bypass where I want to turn, or where I want to park a little bit. Then I'm going to turn the truck and bring it back into where I want it. That way my trailer's nice and straight when I get next to this truck.
Work smarter, not harder.
This truck driver is going the opposite direction. He's going the wrong way.
He doesn't work for us. That's why.
Gotcha. Alright. Neutral. Low range. Setting my brake.
But not the trailer brake.
Well, are we all going in?
You-
I'm good.